You don't have a work ethic problem. You have a systems problem. Working harder than you already are isn't going to fix that. A better structure will. Here are 5. System 1. Slow down to speed up. Rushing feels like progress, but it isn't. It just manufactures more mistakes, more panic, and more time spent repairing what you rushed the first time. Stop telling yourself, "I'll work on the project today." That's not a task, that's a mood. Say 500 words before noon instead. Now you've got a finish line and an actual reason to stand up and feel like you did something. System 2. Build in the buffer nobody plans for. You map out the perfect week, the one where nothing goes wrong, and then something always does. So move your personal deadline earlier, a few days ideally more. While everyone else is scrambling the night before, you're already finished, quietly, which is its own kind of satisfying. System 3. Let consistency do the work cramming can't. Stop trying to win an entire month in one sitting. That's not studying, that's damage control. 30 focused minutes a day will outperform a 5-hour panic session almost every time. You don't need a heroic effort. You need a boring one you can repeat without thinking about it. System 4. If you know exactly what to do and still can't start, that's not a discipline failure. That's an environment failure. Change the room. Your brain already decided your bed means rest, not deadlines, so it's not going to switch modes just because you told it to. Work near someone else, or put on a video of a stranger working in silence, being watched, even by a screen, keeps you honest. Then give yourself small rewards along the way. Your brain needs a reason to keep moving, not just in order to. System 5. Stop negotiating with your phone. You will lose that argument every time, so remove it from the table. Point a camera at yourself while you work. The second you reach for your phone, that light hitting you changes something. Let an app handle the blocking automatically so you're not relitigating the decision at 11 at night. And hand off the boring parts, transcription, editing, scheduling, to software, so your focus goes toward the part of the work that actually needs a brain behind it. Motivation was never going to show up on schedule. Systems don't need it to. Build the structure, trust the mechanics, and fix what breaks, because discipline was never about pushing harder. It's about building something that keeps running when you don't feel like pushing at all. Ego upgrade starts with the system, not the mood.